Every Unreal Engine update looks exciting on paper, but the real question is, does it actually help developers? Unreal Engine 5.7 is one of those updates that doesn't scream hype, but quietly improves how we build worlds, materials, lighting, and even how we learn inside the editor itself. So in this video, I'm not just listing features, I'm going to explain what's new in Unreal Engine 5.7, what problem each feature solves, and who should actually care about it. Let's start with one of the biggest updates, Nanite Foliage. Before 5.7, Nanite was amazing for rocks, buildings, and props. But foliage like trees, grass, and leaves still relied heavily on LODs. That meant more setup, more optimization work, and more compromises. In Unreal Engine 5.7, Nanite now supports dense foliage, allowing you to render large forests with high detail without manually managing multiple LOD levels. Nanite dynamically adjusts detail based on what the camera sees, so you're not wasting performance on things the player cannot notice. This is huge for open-world games, cinematic environments, nature-heavy scenes like jungle or forest. It's not magic. You still need good assets, but it removes a massive technical headache. Next up, Procedural Content Generation or PCG. PCG lets you generate environments using rules instead of placing everything by hand. In earlier version, PCG felt powerful but experimental. In 5.7, it's now considered production ready. You define rules like where trees can grow, how dense they should be, what happens near road or slopes, and Unreal builds the world for you. This saves insane amount of time, especially for solo devs, small team, large open maps. The best part is it's still editable. You're not locked into randomness. Now let's talk about materials, specifically Substrate. Substrate replaces the old material layering system and allows you to create physical, accurate layered materials. Think of real-world materials, metal with rust, road with dust and water, paint with clear coat. Substrate lets you build materials like this, layer by layer, and light reacts naturally. A layer material setup could get messy and unpredictable. Substrate is cleaner, more realistic, and easier to debug. For realistic games and cinematics, it's a big win. Lighting also gets a serious update in 5.7. MegaLights, now in beta, allow you to use many dynamic lights with real-time shadows without destroying performance. Previously, adding lots of dynamic lights meant performance drop, shadow limitations, backing compromises. This is perfect for neon cities, sci-fi environments, interior with lot of lights. Lighting is one of the biggest immersion factors, and this helps a lot. One of the most interesting additions in Unreal Engine 5.7 is the AI assistant inside the Unreal Editor. Instead of opening docs or watching long tutorials every time, you can now ask questions directly inside Unreal about blueprints, C++, or even editor workflow. If you are a beginner, this feels like having a mentor inside the editor, and if you are experienced, it just saves time. I actually made a full video only on the AI assistant feature, where I break down how it works, what it's good at, and where its limits are. So if you want a deeper dive, you can check that video out after this one. In this video, I will keep it short and focus on the other big Unreal Engine 5.7 features. Animation tools also received quality of life improvements. Better retargeting, cleaner workflows, and updated animation sample make working with different character rigs smoother. These aren't flashy features, but they remove friction from daily work. Finally, performance. Unreal Engine 5.7 improves CPU and GPU efficiency, smoother frames, and overall editor stability. You may not notice it instantly, but over long project, it makes a difference. So Unreal Engine 5.7 isn't about flashy gimmicks. It's about better workflows, smarter tools, less manual pain, more time creating. If you're building games, environments, or cinematics, this update is absolutely worth exploring. If this video helped you, drop a like, subscribe for more Unreal Engine content. And if you want to support this channel beyond likes and subscription, check out my Patreon. You will get project files and your name in my end credits. Link is in the description, and comment below which UE 5.7 feature are you most excited to use. Thanks for watching.